Welcome back guys. Today we are going to install the QEMU with the Virtual Machine Manager. Let's get into the video. First we are going to open the terminal. I am going to zoom a little bit. You can now clear it. I am checking the update. If any update is available, I am going to install that. You have to also update your system. I am using Pacman. So for me to check the update, it's -SYU. Look like I have some update. I'm going to install the update. It take 1 or 2 minutes. Okay guys, now we are installed the update. We are going to start the process of installation QEMU. First we have to check the processor is 64 or 32 bit. It's easy to check that as 32 or 64 using this command uname -m. It will give the 64 or 32 bit in the end of this value. Okay, the next thing is you have to check the virtualization is enabled or not. It's easy to check using this command sudo ls usb.virtualization. If you enable the virtualization, it gives some value. If not, it gives some error. I'm using Intel processor, so it gives me VTX. If you are using AMD, it gives AM. Start the first step of installation. I will give this command in the description, so you can easily copy paste it. We are going to install the desktop edition, so select the two. We are going with the default option, so just enter it. Enter the Y and okay, I will start the installation. It takes some time, so wait for the end. Okay guys, the installation is done. We are now clearing the terminal and check the virtual network is enabled or not. For that, you can use the sudo systemctl status libvirtual are not enabled. It is disabled for the default. You have to install that freshly. Okay guys, let's enable the virtual network. It's simple. And again we have to start the same process. Replace the enable to stop and enter that. Okay, let's check the update. Okay, you can see that now we are active. Okay, let's open the QEMU virtual manager. Go to the menu and search for the virtual machine manager. Now you have to enter the root password. Connecting to the QEMU is connected. We have no error in here. Okay, let's go to the connection process. You can see we connected to the QEMU without any error. Virtual network, our default network is turned off. We have to auto start on boot and click the play option to activate that. That's all guys for the installation. I already done a video about how to install RCMs in QEMU. So on that you can check that. I will give that in the description.